the hook, yeah? It's so easy done. Jab, jab, 1, 2. Ready to move the head. 1, 2. Ready to catch. Ready to defend. Hook. There's the block again. Ready to move. 1, 2. Jab, jab, backhand. That's it. Right, left hook up. Again, 1, 2. Switch to the body. That's it. 1, 2. Switch to the body. Switch to the body. Ready to step away. Up, back to the jab. Over, uppercut. Up. That's it. Over, uppercut. Switch to the body. Switch. Backhand. Right, left to the face. Back to the jab. Straight down. Switch the body. Right hook, left up. Back to the jab. Fake the jab, backhand high. Fake the jab, backhand high, left up. Right, left to the face. And then do gloves that time. Do that one, do. You had it for a while. Oh no, I probably just forgot. Right, up. 1, 2. Go move the head. 1, 2. Catch. Okay, block. Come the hook. Step away with the hook. Backhand hook into the body. Jab, jab, over. Move left again. Roll again. Roll again. 1, 2, jab, jab, backhand, left up. Right, back and straight, move left, back to the jab, jab, hook again, right, left, left, there you go. 1, 2, jab, 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 fake the jab, back and low. Fake the jab, fake, that's it. Again, fake it again, look, come up. That's it, go switching, right, left, move, jab, jab, sway, sway, that's it, sway, sway. Sway, sway, come with it, the screenshot here. It said sway, sway, and I said boom, yeah? So, what's this? I got that. Sway, sway, boom, yeah? Yeah? Just a stack about with that. Boom! It's same down with lead hand, boom! You change your blow shot. Again, sway, sway, sway. Okay, come.